Good morning, students. Hope that you all will be fine. Today, I am going to start with the relations and the function, your chapter number 1. It's exercise 1.1. So, let us see its question number 1, students. Question number 1 is determine the following relations are reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Question number 1 is a relation R in a set A that is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 14, and where R is equal to x, y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. So let us see, students, how we will do this question. This R is given as x, y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. From here we will put the value of x as 1. So it will come as 3 minus y that is equal to 0, or minus y is equal to minus 3, means the value of y will come as equal to 3. When x is 3, when x is equal to 1, the value of y will come as equal to 3. Similarly, students, when here x is equal to 2, then the value of y that will come as equal to 6. As x is 3, y is 9, then 4, then 12. Alright, students? Now, R is not reflexive since 1, 1, 2, 2, and so on 14 not belongs to R, because here you can check it. That is, there is no place for 1, 1 here. So that is why this is not reflexive. Now, it is not symmetric because if as 1, 3 that belongs to R, but 3, 1 that doesn't belongs to R. Right, students? We will make the use of definition here. As x, y belongs to R, then if y, x also belongs to R, then the relation is symmetric. But here 1, 3 belongs to R, but 3, 1 not belongs to R. Therefore, it is not symmetric, students. So third one is R is not transitive because here 1, 3, then 3, 9 belongs to R, but you see that 1, 9 doesn't belongs to R, because in the definition I have told you that if x, y, then y, z belongs to R, it means x and z, if that belongs to R, then the relation is transitive. But here that case, that is 1, 9, that is doesn't belongs to R, therefore this is not transitive. Therefore the given relation that is given to you here is neither that is reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. That is your question number 1, its first part. Come with the second part, students. The relation R in the set of n natural numbers defined as x, y such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x is less than 4, means the value of x we will take as 1, 2 and 3, students. Right? So here what will be that value? It means if I am taking x as 1, then 1 plus 5 that will come as 6. While I am taking x as 2, 2 plus 5 is 7. Then the value of y will come as equal to 7. If I am taking this x 3, then the value of y will come as equal to 8. Means 1, 6, then 2, 7 and 3, 8 we will get. It is clear that 1, 1 doesn't belongs to R here because there is no 1, 1 belongs to R. Therefore, it is not reflexive. Second is, if 1, 6 belongs to R, but there is no 6, 1 belongs to R, therefore, it is not symmetric, students. Since no pair of R such that x, y and y, z belongs to R, therefore, and then x, z cannot belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. So, this is the clearly you can see, students, directly we are making the use of definition to solve these questions. Now, let us come with the third part. That is A that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and R such that x, y where y is divisible by x. We know that x is divisible by itself, therefore x, x belongs to R, and by the definition, students, we can say that R is reflexive. 2 comma 4 belongs to R, but 4 comma 2 doesn't belongs to R because 2 is not divisible by 4. Therefore R is not symmetric. Third is let x comma y comma z, with the definition student here, belongs to R, then y is divisible by x. Therefore y is divisible by x and z is divisible by x. It means x is divisible by y is divisible by x and x is divisible by z. Therefore what you can say students, R is transitive. So this is your third question. Let us come with the question number 4. Relation R in the set of Z of all integer defined by R is equal to x comma y, where x minus y is an integer, then the relation x comma y such that x minus y is an integer. So you can see students here the solution is because x belongs to z, means x comma x belongs to z, or x minus x that is equal to 0 is an integer and R is reflexive. For every x comma y belongs to z, if x comma y belongs to z, then x minus y is an integer, or minus into x minus y is also an integer. Therefore students remember that is R is symmetric. And third case is x comma y belongs to z and this y comma z belongs to R. Then remember students, x minus y and y minus z are integer, therefore R is transitive. So here this function is reflexive, symmetric and transitive.